So what's the average car accident settlement in Florida? I'm going to reveal this in just a moment. When you understand the many factors that influence your individual case, anybody can calculate the likely settlement amount. Settlements in car accident claims depend on the extent of your damages. There are a ton of different damages that you may be entitled to. Sadly, many people who are in car accidents don't ask for all possible damages, leading to less compensation. The most common damages are property damage, medical expenses that you've already had treatment for, and future medical bills. Other typical damages are lost wages due to an injury that prevents you from working, as well as compensation for pain and suffering and a disability that you're left with. But here's where things get trickier. Not factoring in ongoing or future damages into your settlement is a huge mistake that many make. I've settled several millions of dollars worth of car accident cases, and I've seen a large range of car accident settlements. This ranges from just a couple of $1,000s to settlements that are over $345,000 or much more. And the settlements are different because cases are unique. Settlement calculators can be misleading, often resulting in settling for less than you deserve. So how much is your case worth if you go to the emergency room and you have a few visits with a doctor or chiropractor? For this example, I'm assuming that you don't have any broken bones. Basically, you get better fast. Your settlement might be somewhere between $1,000 and $30,000. Your settlement may be towards the lower end of this range if you have one or more of the following. Your doctor doesn't say that you have a permanent injury. There is little damage to the cars involved in the crash. You're dealing with a bad insurance company like Progressive, Allstate, State Farm, and many others. For this entire video, we're assuming that someone else was careless and caused your car crash in Florida. There are also car accidents where you may suffer a more serious injury like a broken bone. In cases with a broken bone, but you don't have surgery, the settlement may be between $7,500 and $125,000 or maybe more. The next level up of cases is usually where you've had surgery to fix a broken bone or tear of your ligament, tendon, or muscle. Surgery cases often range in value between $50,000 and $600,000 or more. When it comes to personal injury claims, the amount of available insurance coverage is a game changer. It can have an enormous impact on your settlement. In fact, in many car accident cases, the available insurance coverage may even outweigh the severity of your injuries in determining the settlement amount. Now let me break this down for you. Imagine a grand feast with loads of dishes, but you're limited by your plate's size. In this scenario, the feast is your potential settlement, and the size of your plate represents the available insurance coverage. Just like the plate size dictates how much you can enjoy at the feast, the available insurance coverage can dictate the size of your settlement. It's a crucial piece of the puzzle that can significantly influence the outcome of your case. In Florida, the minimum insurance coverage for an individual driver is, drumroll, $0. However, you may have uninsured motorist insurance, which can massively increase your available compensation. Part of a lawyer's role is figuring out the available insurance coverage and fighting to get the largest settlement for you based on your damages. Calculating a settlement involves adding concrete costs such as medical bills, lost wages, and property damage. Yet, what's harder to calculate is pain and suffering, potential future surgeries, or any lasting disfigurement or disability. These are damages that I discuss with doctors and insurance claim reps when I'm fighting for my clients. Smaller cases may result in settlements of a few $1,000s, whereas larger ones involving severe injuries or fatalities in car or truck accidents can escalate to millions of dollars. So the amount of a car accident settlement is a reflection of the full measure of your damages, and it's influenced by the strength of the liability claim and the available insurance coverage. But to really understand how much your case may be worth, you need to know the value of your particular injuries. Otherwise, you won't have a chance of getting the large payout that you're after. I expose which car accident injuries usually pay the most in the video that's on screen now, link in the description below. And if you've been injured in a Florida car accident and you think that someone else may be at fault, click on the link in the description below to see if I could be the lawyer for you.